Hey, what is happening, YouTube? What's going on, guys? Happy Easter to everybody. It's Easter morning. Just wanted to get a quick video out. This news is actually about 2 days old, but just wanted to make you guys aware of it. So if you see your shirts and are wondering why does my shirt look so funny on Amazon merch or on Amazon, here is why. So always pay attention to this messages section down on the bottom right, and they say to provide an additional protection against the copying of your artwork and to add a more natural look for your products, we are adding a wrinkle effect to product detail page sales images. Accounts will be enabled on a rolling basis, as they normally do, starting today, and the effect will only be applied to new submissions and edits of standard fit t-shirts. So what this means, what's happening, and why it's going on. There are a lot of people on there who will go take a screenshot of a shirt on Amazon merch. They'll bring it over to Photoshop, crop out the background, remove the background color, whether it be black, green, whatever it is. Put your image in there, basically steal your image and re-upload it themselves. Now, a lot of these people, I think, value their merch accounts and don't want to get them suspended, so people probably aren't doing this on merch, but that doesn't stop somebody from taking your t-shirt off merch and going and selling it on Redbubble and TeePublic and Teespring and all these other sites, because there's so many print-on-demand sites out there that even if they were to get burned up on one of them, which the other sites seem to be less restrictive in terms of stealing other people's designs and copyrights and trademarks and things like that, if they get burned up on one, they just start uploading to another one like Redbubble or something. So that's what people do. That's kind of the reason for it. Basically what Amazon is doing is your shirt is going to have a wrinkle effect. So if somebody were to try to steal your design, it wouldn't show up good, or it would probably be as much work to clean it up in Photoshop as it would be to just do a unique design of their own. So that's what's going on. I am tier 1000. I currently have 463 products live. Really got to get that count up. I can do 50 per day. This hasn't rolled out to me yet, so I'm guessing it's only rolled out to the higher tiers. But if any of you guys are wondering what it looks like, somebody made a merch, Amazon merch post about it on Reddit the other day, and the guy says, has anyone else had this wrinkle effect rolled out yet? This was actually the first I heard of it here. I hadn't logged into merch in a couple days, but here's what it looks like on this gentleman's shirt. So he posts it with no wrinkle effect, and then with the wrinkle effect. So again, here is the black background with no wrinkle effect, just a flat black. Here is the wrinkle effect. Obviously it looks like a curtain or something up. Now, I wish he would have chose a crisper design. This is already kind of a distressed design. So the wrinkle effect, obviously it changes it. We can see the difference. But I would have loved to see what this would have looked like in terms of just like a normal, flat, not distressed design, and then to see how much the wrinkle effect skews it. But it is very noticeable here. Curious if you guys have had this rolled out yet. Drop a comment below and let me know. Again, it hasn't hit my account. I'm curious to see what it looks like for my shirts. But this is not something you have a choice in the matter of. It's not something you opt into or don't opt into. It's just going to happen. And it's rolling out on a rolling basis. So it starts at the high tiers. Is going to start getting to the rest of us. But I just wanted to let you guys know, if you're like, why, my shirt looks weird. Why isn't my shirt looking like it normally does? Or why doesn't my shirt look exactly like it does? In Photoshop, this is why Amazon's adding the wrinkle effect. Well, I know a lot of people aren't crazy about the look of it. It is good to see that Amazon is kind of taking some steps to try to protect our designs. And, just a while back, they rolled out their new content policies, introducing new video about content policies. You can watch a video. Basically, they're just kind of warning you about copycat type stuff. One thing I have seen recently is a lot of my shirts have been going back into processing, even shirts that have been, uploaded for a long, long time. So I have a feeling Amazon might be behind the scenes kind of reviewing shirts, maybe starting to do a crackdown on copycat designs or like exact pixel for pixel copies, to where basically somebody just copied your shirt right off of Amazon merch. But again, this is what's going on. Let me know your guys' thoughts about it. Let me know if it's affected your shirts yet. I'm going to get running, but hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend and a happy Easter, and I will catch you guys on Tuesday for Side Hustle Tuesdays.